Hello everybody. We recently had a problem with our Moen kitchen faucet. This is a single handle pull out kitchen faucet. Here are some other examples. All the styles look a little bit different, but they all operate on the same basic principle. This section right here is called the spout receptor, and obviously the pull out spout goes into the receptor here, and this is the handle. And as you swing the receptor, or as you swing the faucet itself left and right, the handle is supposed to remain for the most part in the same position. The handle does swing about 120 degrees, 60 degrees left and 60 degrees right. It should not be rotating any further than that, regardless of whether the spout is all the way over to the right or all the way over to the left. Well, what we notice is every time we would move it to the left or every time we move it to the right, this handle area was starting to rotate, where the handle was no longer facing forward. It was off on the side, or was weighted, trying to get around to the back. So I called Moen, and as you know, Moen has a lifetime warranty on their products. Here's the hardware that's used to support the faucet. These three items right here, they call this the mounting bracket. Then there's a nut which holds it on. And then lastly, there's this third nut, which is a plastic nut, and it is a hose protector. So this is a metal part here, this is a metal part here, and this is a plastic part. And notice the mounting hardware kit number is a 146927, and it's made up of 3 parts. Here's a close-up view of those parts. Mounting bracket, metal nut, and plastic nut. Here you get a good view of the order of things. This is the underside of your countertop. The mounting bracket goes on first, then the metal nut goes on, and you can see it being hand tightened right here. Here's the parts kit that Moen sent me. Notice the part number, it's a 146927. So it's exactly the same part number as the original 3 parts I showed you. And there's some similarity in the shape of this, call it modified flat washer, to the original mounting bracket, although it doesn't have a sort of cup design to it. Here's the metal fastening nut, and then this larger mounting plate, but no instructions on what to do with it. So let me show you the correct way to install this. According to this picture, this is the correct order of things. On the underside of the counter, you have this mounting bracket. You can see the orientation of the bracket. And then you have that disc, the metal nut, and then the plastic hose protector nut. You can see it has this part number, but what makes it confusing is it also has this part number, 113173, and sometimes referred to as the service kit for the 7597 faucet. So hopefully that clears some things up for you. I like to create these videos when I can't find the answers easily online, in hopes that it will help you a little bit. If you found this helpful and informative, how about a like and subscribe to my channel? Thanks for watching.